dobry! Dopiero wstałam, znaczy nie dopiero, leżałam sobie w łóżku i oglądałam na iPadzie filmiki na YouTubie. Ricio poszedł grać, ja nie wiem, która jest godzina, chyba około 10. Ja wstałam tak o 8, Rick stał tak o 7. Zaczęłam się zbierać powoli. Właśnie idę zobaczyć, jak jest słonecznie na dworzu. Bo nie wiem, w co mam się ubrać. Ale mam straszny bałagan, muszę posprzątać to znowu. Także jest dosyć ładna pogoda. Wiem, że dzisiaj jedziemy do Miami, do Ricka rodziny, bo jego brat z Kalifornii przylatuje dzisiaj po południu. Także jedziemy go zobaczyć. I nie wiem, w zasadzie nie mamy żadnych innych planów. Jak na razie, jak zwykle, wszystko wyjdzie spontanicznie. Okej, Ricio już wrócił. Poszedł właśnie do samochodu, do jego samochodu, żeby aparat zaczepić na okno, bo jedziemy dzisiaj moim, bo w końcu jest gotowy na wycieczki. Także zabieramy mój samochód i Ricio poszedł tu tyłem do swojego samochodu, żeby wziąć sprzęt. Chyba się nam plany zmieniły, chyba jednak nie jedziemy dzisiaj zobaczyć Ricka brata, chyba jedziemy jutro. Także zobaczymy jeszcze, cały czas czekamy na wieści od jego siostry. Bailey. Czeka na tatusia swojego. Bailey. Who is there? Who is there? Ricio!
Tak.
Where are you?
I'm right here. I got the thing for the vlogmobile.
A vlogmobile device.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna put it here and then we can film.
Bailey, stop!
Vlogmobile. Look, smell it. Smell.
Nie tak
Dzień dobry.
Today. Dzień dobry.
Thank you. Shh. The neighbors will get angry and get us out of here. Lily's like very excited today. Look at this. She's like, my love.
Yeah?
Why you look so pretty today?
I don't know.
Did you say hi to everybody? Did you already do like a good morning thing for everybody?
Good morning. Good morning.
Do.
Like in Disney, right?
Yeah. Good morning.
Zawsze jak w Disneyu, zanim się wejdzie do parku, before you enter the park, no?
Yeah.
They're saying, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
And everybody is waving.
Morning.
Just a mile.
Yeah.
And Mickey Mouse comes in the train, isn't it like that? Yeah.
Choo choo.
And Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. All right. So what are the plans for today, my
I
love?
don't know. I'm confused. I told him already 300 different plans, so maybe you will straighten it
This
out.
is my sister's fault, so I don't know. Anyways, well, you know what? We're gonna get a new vlogmobile, and we'll see where it takes us.
Yeah, where the
Okay.
new vlogmobile takes us.
We'll see how it goes. All right. So see him in the car.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just reading the comments that you guys are writing. Because I just put the new video up.
Right.
Anyways, jedziemy do sklepu halloweenowego. We're going to Halloween store.
Tak.
Make a left, I guess. I don't know, to be honest with you. You know what? Make a left and go left on Dixie.
Yeah.
Like go to the midpoint.
Yeah.
Także jedziemy. Później pojedziemy tylko do jednego Macy's. We're just gonna go to one Macy's.
Yeah, because I want to eat at the Chick-fil-A over there. So.
Sunday, forget.
Oh.
No
Chick-fil-A, so we're gonna have to pick somewhere else to eat.
Yeah. What a complicated thing. Where's lunch?
Cilantro garlic.
Cilantro garlic.
Przepyszny.
Ryż z kurczakiem. And frytki dla Ricia. Goń?
Yummy.
A ja mam kurczaka z żółtym ryżem. Smacznego.
Smacznego. Your food? Good? Awesome.
Let's enjoy it now.
Enjoy. I found our costumes.
I jakaś masakra nastała.
Pouring rain.
Pouring rain.
Yeah.
Deszcz. Kałuże.
Richo got wet in the rain.
To pick up his love of his life, slooneszko.
Yeah, so slooneszko wouldn't get wet. I went and got the cart in the rain. But oh, you scored a nice shirt, huh?
Even two. Yeah.
Nice.
Exciting.
Nice. Look at this.
Okay,
Jesus.
slow down because we might.
We might get a swamp over here. Monsoon. All right. So.
Good boy. A good boy. Yeah, I got a nice shirt. Dostałam dwie fajne koszulki.
How do you say rain?
Deszcz.
Deszcz.
Deszcz pada.
Deszcz pada.
Ricu jest u góry, robi coś, a ja będę odpowiadać na wasze komentarze teraz. Pogoda jest masakryczna, będzie lało. Ja włączam teraz telewizor, bo szukam, na którym będzie kanale tenis, żeby oglądać mecz. What channel is gonna be the final on?
I think CBS, channel 4.
4. Bingo. Got it? Także coś chyba małego zjem, bo zanim zaczniemy hamburgery robić, o ile nie zacznie padać. I będziemy oglądać mecz. I ja będę odpisać na wasze komentarze. I na razie tyle.
What are you doing?
Azarenka!
Pa 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 pa.
Azarenka!
Pa 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 pa.
We're watching tennis, no?
Tennis? You watch your favorite player?
Yeah, Victoria Azarenka.
Vika.
Yeah.
Vika. Let's see. There's her favorite tennis player. Oh look, that's her favorite tennis player, Serena.
No.
No? Who's your favorite tennis player? Right here. Bailey. Bailunya. Bailunya. Bailey likes Federer. See? She said duck. So you getting ready for the hamburgers tonight?
Yeah, if it's gonna stop raining.
Yeah. Looks pretty bad out there still. Huh? Yeah. Oh, but looks like the sun's coming out a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hopefully.
Why do you look so pretty, my love?
I don't know. Just overall.
Just overall?
Oh.
Bailey, calm yourself down. Stop yelling at me. Okay, so we'll see them when we're cooking the hamburgers,
Yeah,
okay?
we'll see you when we'll cook the ham.
'Cause you're busy right now a little bit. You're focused. Okay. Bailey, mommy's angry. That's Serena's. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Snuggling.
Snuggling.
I'm gonna fall unless you take my hand.
Your long legs.
Rubbing it
What are you doing? Stop yelling at me. You're gonna fall. Your toesies.
Easy, stop!
He just
Drag me. No, stop!
Bailey. Look what mommy's head. Slooneszko's going crazy. Yeah! Vika! 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 Yeah, Vika! Woo!
Come on! That was the final for US Open Women.
Third set now! Third set!
Come on!
Look at Slooneszko's shoes! You dropped this!
The violence is happening. I think I still have a chance today.
We're still waiting till barbecue because the match is still going on. So, anyways, we'll see you in a little bit.
Big depression in our household. Our player lost. Wiktoria Azarenka przegrała. I was like, I'm not gonna follow tennis anymore. That's it. I'm done.
Say bye-bye. We're gonna have cheeseburgers now and the barbecue.
I don't even want them anymore.
Show me a smile. Show me a smile, Slooneszko. Bougie.
Look where you're filming. Look, filming is our dusty friend. That's what you're filming.
I'm sorry. My Slooneszko.
I go cook, you know.
I'm gonna go barbecue.
Do something, please.
Bailey, your player won. You're
Are
happy.
you ready to eat your burger? Your dindins?
My din din. Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Nice fat hamburger. On the barbecue.
Yeah.
And some potato chips.
Yeah.
And Slooneszko.
Are we saying good night, my love?
I think we're saying good night. It's been
Good
a long
night.
day.
It was.
Yeah.
It was, I mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Goodbye. Yeah.
You can say goodbye. Say goodbye, my love.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Papa.
Have a great day.
Bye bye.